this initiative supersede what we set out to have done here in Greenwich Farm. In fact, what we set out at the onset was simply to bring the community together, to bridge some divides, to remove that barrier that's set at the train line where we have the top and bottom Greenwich Farm. And it was simple about just doing that, helping every member in Greenwich Farm to realize that there is only one Greenwich Farm and every single life matters here. But from the first initiative we took on, we recognized that this is going to be something far beyond that which we thought. And that's the first day when we had a peace march in the community and culminated with a meeting which was intended to be a simple community widely publicized meeting, and we ended up having a mass meeting with over 1,000 people coming out. I remember my operations officer turned to me and said, this is going to be something different. This is going to be something special. And you see it for yourself tonight. We had way over 1,000 people coming out for this finals. It has accomplished what we set out to do, to unify the community and to sensitize our young people that every life matters and that peace prospers the community while violence kills the spirit and kills the community literally and otherwise. We have been here, we will be here, and long after we'll remain here. It's about the partnership, and that's what we have set out to do, to partner with the residents, to provide the guidance, provide the mentorship. So a sign that we are going nowhere is the fact that out of this we have formed the Police Youth Club, the Greenwich Farm Police Youth Club, active and vibrant and making strides. In fact, just this Labor Day, they were cleaning up, they were creating a peace park on 6th Street. That's already a sign that we're going nowhere. We are here to stay, we're here to continue to partner with the community. We have several other competitions that are coming up with the community as they have requested. Netball for the females, dominoes for the elderly and those who will hang out at their bars. So we are here to stay and to continue to work with our young people. I would simply say this, that the last murder in Greenwich Farm was on the 30th of September 2024. And when we got to the 6 months, the citizens asked for us to celebrate it because they say, look here, we're at the half mark and we're not going to stop because we are going to go a year without. We're 8 months in. And again, they are still saying the same thing, that we will not have violence here. And the community is fully on board. The officers are policing in partnership with the residents. That's a sign of how far this has gone and how far we intend to take this. Every single day without violence inside this community is celebrated by not just us, but celebrated by the residents. They cheer it on, and every sign of it, they are the first to cry out to say, no way, we will not have it here.
Before this, top people them couldn't go bottom people them couldn't come top farm. So who live at top did have to stay up, and who live down there just have to stay. And it never usually been like this. So when we see it I get back this way, we're happy for it, we're glad for it. So we're glad for this we go on. As you can see, everybody all about. So we're glad for it. We don't mind when we start all one more tomorrow. Because I know when war go on and to stop war, football are the thing, we have to bring back the people in. We see it around the world. So we honestly appreciate for all of this we want to do. Big up to everyone at the police them. We participate in it because it's a good look. And when me I say is, we don't want to this done now, we still want to face around the same way. You understand? We don't want to just a competition, this done now, everybody low, we alone. No, we want to come around same way, come check one way and see everything are going good. Because if we don't stop that, things that it would have go back to where it was. And we don't really want that. So my thanks for it.